OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. In this example, I'd like to demonstrate how we can quickly orientate a part so that it becomes coplanar with the default world coordinate system. Now, this part's been taken from an assembly. If I hit the spacebar twice on the keyboard to go to a CAD view, you can see it's certainly not lined up, and if we hit the spacebar and go to a front view, you can also see that the part's not lined up correctly. Now, we can quickly orientate the part by first creating a construction plane on any one of the faces that we want to make coplanar with the world coordinate system. To do that, I'm going to head down to the lower left-hand corner and select our construction plane tools. Now, there's several ways to create construction planes, but for this, I'm going to use the option Create Construction Plane from 3 points. All we need to do is select 3 vertices. The first vertex is going to represent the x0, y0, z0. The second vertex designates x positive, and the third vertex represents y positive. Now, once that construction plane's been created, all we need to do is select the geometry. I'm going to hit Control A, Control Alpha on the keyboard to select everything. We'll head up and select Edit, and then Placement, and from there, we're going to use the option called Move Selection from Plane. I'm going to left click, and now if I hit the spacebar twice on the keyboard, we go to our CAD view. You can see now the part's been properly lined up and orientated so that it's coplanar with the default world coordinate system. OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.